So welcome back. We have been a couple of hours at the sea now, and it's been a very pleasant journey. And in front of us we have the island of Binalabag, if I'm saying it correctly, I hope. And in the distance, I don't know if you can see that, there is a little village there. And apparently they have a school. It's a beautiful little cove or bay or whatever you want to call it. Really stunning. And I think we're going to go through here. And on the other side, I think there's a very small protected bay that we're looking for. So it's fun. And this is where we came from. Over there. It's really stunning. And I can't believe that people live so far out in the middle of nowhere. Their life must be very different to ours. Very simple lives, probably very beautiful lives. The weather's been fantastic. It's a little overcast today, but which is quite nice because it gives us a little bit of relief from the sun that we've enjoyed the last few days. Okay, so I'll be back soon as we get closer to land.